let's stretch high, let's wiggle low. Healthy habits, here we go. Woo! Brush, brush, brush your teeth, morning and at night. Scrub, scrub, scrub your hands, keep those germs out of sight.
You know what's crazy? This animated kids song video right here was made by me using only free AI tools. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through the entire process, from generating the lyrics, to creating the music, and finally bringing it all to life with animation. But here's the thing, we just can't compete with massive channels like Cocomelon, who upload the same nursery rhymes that have been around forever. So I had to get smart about this. As a result, we will create educational kids content that parents actually want their children to watch, and you can do it faceless and automated. Just like this channel here. They have 75,000 subscribers with only 70 videos, and get this, the channel is only 7 months old. Now check out this one. Thousands and millions of views on almost every video, and have reported earnings, though results vary frequently. So if you want to create your own kids channel, then stick with me till the end. Welcome to AI Upskill. Alright, let's start with the basics, which are the lyrics. So for this, we're going to use ChatGPT. I've created a document with every single prompt that I'll be using in this video. It makes the whole process super easy, where you just copy, paste, and watch the magic happen. You'll find it in my Discord video prompts channel. In addition, I've created a bonus prompt that can 10x the whole process. I'll reveal it somewhere in the middle of this video. For now, simply copy the first prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. It's designed specifically to generate a unique and complete song with a title and proper structure. Now here's where the real magic happens. It's time to use an AI tool to transform those lyrics into a complete song. And for this, I'm going to use musicgpt, an AI tool that transforms your lyrics and prompts into a complete professional song. I have dropped the link in the description below. When you sign up, you'll be brought to this dashboard. Start by clicking the Create button. From here, you can upload an existing audio file as a reference, or you can even paste a YouTube link if you want something specific. Now, musicgpt gives you a few options here, either instrumental or lyrical. For our purpose, we're going to choose the lyrics option since we already have our lyrics ready. Now simply copy those lyrics that ChatGPT generated for us and paste them right into this box. Make sure the lyrics also contain structural labels like verse and chorus, as this helps to create a more outstanding result. Next, add a prompt that describes the style of music you want. For a kid's song, I usually write something like this. And here's the cool part. musicgpt also offers additional features like generating sound effects, adding voiceovers, remixing existing songs, and even extending tracks if you need them longer. Once everything looks good, click the Create button. musicgpt generates 2 versions at once. And in a minute, I'll show you how to avoid copyright issues with AI-generated music, which is extremely important for monetization. And there we go. Our 2 songs are ready, labeled as version 1 and version 2. You can listen to them by clicking here.
Wash, wash, wash your hands, make them clean and bright. Splash, splash, splash around, keep them feeling light. Wash, wash, wash your hands, make them clean and bright. Splash, splash, splash around, keep them feeling light.
Wow, they sound incredible. Honestly, I like this one much better. To download it, just click the download button. Now to generate animation, we need prompts that match our lyrical song. So don't worry, to make this easy, I've included a second prompt in that same document I mentioned earlier. Copy this prompt and paste it into the same conversation where you generated your lyrics. What this does is absolutely genius. It takes the lyrics we just created and breaks them down line by line into specific, detailed prompts for both images and videos. This step alone can save you 30 to 40 minutes. Now we're going to use these prompts to generate our images first. And for that, I'm going to use AI Saver, an all-in-one AI tool that offers a variety of features for face swapping, image generation, and video generation. So head over to this tool from the description of this video. Once you've signed up, you'll be brought to this dashboard. Now, before moving forward, if you're still watching, you're part of the 12% who actually take action. Most people watch and do nothing. So make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, as I share new AI tools, trending niches, and faceless automation strategies every week. Start by selecting the text-to-image feature. Go back to ChatGPT, grab the first image prompt, and paste it directly into AI Saver. Scroll down a bit, and you'll see style options. For kids' content, I always recommend choosing the realistic style. Next, select your aspect ratio. I usually go with 3:2 because it works perfectly for video formats. Once that's set, click the Generate button. Let me fast forward through the generation process. And there you have it. Your first image is ready. Look at how vibrant and detailed that is. Pretty cool, right? Now here's what you need to do. Head back to ChatGPT. Copy and paste the next image prompt. Make sure the style is realistic and the ratio is 3:2. Click on the Generate button, and within seconds you'll have an image ready. You're going to repeat this process for every single line in your lyrics until you have a complete set of images. And here's a pro tip that I wish I knew earlier. As you generate these images, organize them in a folder right away, so you don't get confused later during editing. Okay, now we're getting to the fun part. We've got our images, and now it's time to turn those into animated videos. Head to the Image to Video feature. Do not skip this part, as these tiny details are what make your video look professional. Start by uploading one of your generated images as a reference, and crop it as per your needs. Then copy and paste the corresponding video prompt from ChatGPT into the prompt box. Next, select the duration of the video. Once that's set, click the Generate button. I'll spare you the generating time. And just like that, our video is ready. Here's how it looks. Bro, this actually looks insane. We have to do this process for all the remaining images. For example, just upload an image and paste in the matching video prompt. And AI Saver will generate an animated video clip in just a few minutes. So once all your clips are generated, organize them in a folder, just like you did with the images. Now before heading to the editing step, here's something really important you need to know. Whenever AI tools are free, they almost always keep some ownership, so always double-check licensing. If you're planning to monetize your channel, and I'm guessing you are because that's the whole point, I would highly recommend clearly stating in both your video title and description that the song was generated using musicgpt. But if you want to play it completely safe and avoid any potential issues, especially as your channel grows and videos begin to go viral, upgrading to a paid plan is the smarter move. The paid plan immediately grants you full commercial rights to everything you create. Alright, now it's time to bring them together. I'm going to show you a quick breakdown of my editing project. And don't worry, this part is actually really simple. Start by adding your song into the timeline. This is going to be your foundation because everything else will sync to the music. Now take your animated video clips and start laying them on the timeline. The beauty of this process is that because we already generated everything in the correct order, it's basically like putting everything together. If your clips are a little too long or too short, just trim them to match the timing of the lyrics. And if you want to get fancy, you can add some simple transitions between clips, like a mix or a black fade. So once you've synced all your clips to the music, simply export the video, and it's ready to upload. Here's how it looks.
Wash, wash, wash your hands, make them clean and bright. Splash, splash, splash around, keep them feeling light. Little hands get messy when we play all day. Oh, oh. So we scrub with soap too and wash the germs away. Oh, oh. Clean hands, happy hands, clap them in the air. Clean hands, happy hands, wiggle everywhere. Our healthy hands love to wash each day. Before we eat our yummy snacks, after sneezing too. Washing hands is super fun. Come on, it's easy to do.
Damn, that looks amazing. Now, of course, you can use all of these AI tools for free, which is amazing. But if you want to explore alternative tools or if you get stuck on something, simply leave a message on my Discord server, and one of my moderators will help you out. And here's the best part. All of the prompts I used in this video are available right now in my Discord video prompts channel. But wait, there's more. I've actually created a secret prompt that helps you generate unique channel names and professional logos using AI. Here's what I want you to do. If you found this video helpful, share it with others and smash that like button. If this video gets 500 likes, I'm going to add those bonus prompts in the document for everyone to use for free. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.